Ready to turn your iPhone photos into stunning visual stories? Let's unlock the simple secrets to crafting captivating collages right on your iPhone. No extra apps needed. First, open your Photos app. This is where all your memories live. Now, tap Select in the top right corner. Choose the photos you want to include in your collage. Tap on each photo you want. I'm selecting these for fun shots. See the little square with the arrow pointing up at the bottom left? That's the share icon. Tap it. Scroll down the share sheet until you find Copy Photos. Tap that. Your selected images are now copied to your clipboard. Now, open the Messages app. Start a new message to anyone in your contacts, even yourself. Tap in the text field like you're going to type a message. Then tap again and select Paste. Your photos will appear stacked on top of each other. Long press on the stack of photos. A menu pops up, and you'll see Send as Collage. Tap it. Voila! Your iPhone automatically arranges your selected images into a neat collage within the message thread. Tap the collage to open it full screen. Then tap the share icon again in the bottom left corner. Scroll down and tap Save Image to save your masterpiece to your photo library. And there you have it. A beautiful photo collage made entirely on your iPhone. Perfect for sharing on social media or keeping as a cherished memory. Now go create some visual magic.